women tend to cheat more because men don't show them affection and love, but men cheat more because, you know, they're attracted to different types of females.
Today we have
Person X.
Ryan, Keith, Sash. The question today is, Ryan, who cheats more, male or female?
Female overall. Them cheat more than male, cause well, them just sneaking, just sneaking. So you see, yeah, that's it.
Yes, brother.
A few minutes later.
The question today is, who cheats more, boys or girls?
Boys.
Why?
Always boys cheat more. So the question is, who cheats better? Girls. I mean, boys cheat more.
Okay, so who cheats more, boys or girls?
That question is tricky because girls cheat, but they cheat better. So I guess men cheat more because them not cheat good. And when them have one girl and the girl find out, them they continue to change, right? But women, they cheat better, so them cheat with one person for like 10 years. You understand? Make sense?
You smart. Tiana, the question is, who cheats more, boys or girls?
Boys.
Why?
Because man doesn't mind what you do. So the man gets to do it, can them tell them have more than one.
What are your opinion before?
Who cheats more? I think the question should be rephrased. So, what's the reason behind who cheats more? Because women tend to cheat more because men don't show them affection and love, but men cheat more because, you know, they're attracted to different types of females. So I'd say if it's a healthy relationship, the man is inclined to cheat more because of, you know, different females, different personalities. But if the woman is in a steady relationship, he's most likely to be more loyal.
Yes, brother.